어느 화창한 하루, 마피아 조직원 2명이 누군가를 기다리고 있습니다.
You ever shoot a guy in his eyeball? You nervous because we're killing a chick? Last thing the boss says to me, he says, Tommy, please shoot her fucking eyeballs out. What is it with you today, Tommy? You've gone soft?
붉은 복면을 쓴 의문의 암살자는 카드 2장만을 던져두고 사라집니다. 이른 아침, 영화 시나리오 작가 마티의 집.
Just wondering when we're going to see that new screenplay of yours. The old clock's ticking, buddy, so give me a call, okay?
이제 막 잠에서 깬 그를
Hiya, Kaya.
친구 빌리가 찾아옵니다.
Doing yoga?
Was.
What happened to you? Who at this time?
감정 조절에 문제가 있어 보이는 빌리. 이런 일이 한두 번이 아닌 듯한데
I'm going to work.
Are you pissed at me for something, baby? I don't remember doing anything to piss her off.
Or because, you know, she's a fucking bitch.
When are you gonna get a girlfriend anyway? Why do I have to do all this shit on my own?
마티는 빌리에게 그의 비밀 사업에 대해 물어봅니다.
And how's everything in the dog kidnapping business?
Dog borrowing business, I ain't talking about that shit neither. Dog borrowing business.
With the legions come.
Oh, big boy. Is this your dog?
주인 몰래 강아지를 납치하고 돌려주어 사례금을 챙기는 사업을 하는 2인조.
Hey, hey. So where you want to go, Hans?
The cancer ward, Billy, if you don't mind.
빌리의 동업자 한스는
When you going to get a job?
I'm a 63-year-old.
아내 마이라의 수술비를 마련하기 위해 고군분투하고 있습니다.
$500 for a dog. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. You can take it if you want.
한편 마티의 시나리오는
So, how's the 7 psychopaths coming along, Marty?
Just haven't been able to come up with all the psychopaths yet.
전혀 진전이 없고
See, I'm sick of all these stereotypical Hollywood murderers. Overall, to be about love and peace.
Hey, shit. Bro, did you see this thing in the paper the other day? How about this? This serial killer will only kill mid to high-ranking members of the Italian-American organized crime syndicate.
It's a great fucking psychopath, Billy.
Do you think?
Can I keep it?
You can if you let me help write the movie with you. You know? You can keep it, Marty. I'm just kidding you.
그날 밤 2번째 사이코를 구상하는 마티.
The daughter of a Quaker went missing. And when she was discovered, the slit in her throat turned out to be the least of the damage done to her.
범인은 죄책감에 자수하고 종신형을 받게 되지만
The killer found religion. He had changed. He was not one anymore.
그렇게 새 사람이 된 그는 풀려나게 되고 이제 평온한 삶을 살리라 다짐하는 그였지만
A simple, joyous life was not what was left to him. This went on for 11 fucking years till finally the killer went mad.
끝이 보이지 않는 감시에 스스로 목숨을 끊어 지옥으로 도망치기로 결정한 살인자.
That at least in hell, the Quaker would not be there. Was the old man take out a cutthroat razor of his own and slice?
말 그대로 지옥 끝까지 쫓아간 퀘이커 교도. 한편 LA의 모처.
Mr. Costello, please don't hurt me.
Where were you walking him, Charisse?
I promise I didn't mean to lose money. You're such an angry type person. You just think it was my fault and drag me back here and tie me up and kill me.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I always loved Bonnie like he was my own child.
One, I do not want that image in my head. Two,
There's been a bunch of dog disappearances down by La Brea Tar Pits, I heard. Same thing happened to 3 people down there.
Just kidding, Charisse. You can go. Could you go get my fucking dog back?
한편 마티의 생일 파티에 갈 준비를 하는 빌리.
Hey, Bonnie. Pa. No, Pa. That's okay, too.
그곳에서 퀘이커 교도 사이코 이야기를 하는 마티를 발견하는데
Maybe you just drank too much, Marty.
What did you just say? I'm taking advice on drinking from a dog kidnapper.
Stop it.
Shut up.
So, you know, there might be copyright issues at the very least.
사실 퀘이커 교도 이야기는 빌리의 친구의 이야기였기 때문입니다. 그나저나 마티가 주사가 좀 있는 모양이네요. 다음날 어리둥절 빌리의 집에서 일어난 마티.
You don't remember?
Kai threw you out. Well, call her up and see.
Honey, listen, I...
Fucking bitch mean anything to you?
You're fucked.
Fuck off now, Billy.
그러나 마티의 고난은 이것으로 끝이 아니었으니
Oh, shoot. You're reading the LA Weekly, are you?
No. Shoot! Did I leave any water in Bonnie's bowl?
What are you talking about?
Page 163. Calling all psychopaths!
절친의 시나리오 집필을 돕기 위해 사이코 모집 광고를 낸 것.
Ain't you getting undressed?
Cả nước đã giúp tàn phá nước tao, ta sẽ giết ngay chứ.
What you talking, baby?
Vietnamese.
Didn't we have like a big war with you guys one time?
It isn't over.
He's not even a priest. He was in the Viet Cong for many years. A psycho.
전쟁이 끝나고 그는 마침내 고향에 돌아가게 되지만 가족이 모두 학살된 것을 알게 됐고 미국에 복수할 계획을 세우게 된 것이었습니다.
That he's going to strap to a hooker and send her into the middle of this convention. Some kind of convention was about to be held on the rights and wrongs of the Vietnam War. You see where I'm going with this, right?
There's no way that story's ending but grimly.
But it's not what I want to really be writing about anymore.
Fucking asshole, dog fucker.
한편 한스는 마피아에게 붙잡히게 되고
Where do you keep the dogs?
집필 중이던 마티 또한 사건에 휘말리게 되는데
Easy, old man. Little Shih Tzu. Name of Bonnie?
그때 갑자기 나타난 다이아몬드 잭 킬러 역시 카드만 두고 호련히 사라집니다.
Holy fuck! What the hell happened? Marty, are you okay? You look fucked.
Marty's my writer friend I was telling you about.
Where'd you get this little Shih Tzu, Billy?
You think she's the one that they're after?
There's a strong possibility, Billy.
대책을 강구하는 일행.
I think we should go to the cops.
Fuck the cops.
Yeah.
Fuck them. No fucking cops.
경찰에 무슨 큰 원한이라도 있는 걸까요? 그렇게 일단 대책 없이 집으로 돌아가는 이들. 그런데
You waiting for somebody, old guy?
My name is Zachariah Rigby. A message on Billy's telephone.
Okay, you seem normal. Come on in. We gotta get this dog off the street.
그런데 맘대로 사이코를 불러놓고
I gotta go play tennis with my girlfriend now. See you guys soon, okay?
혼자 도망간 빌리. 제크 라이언은 개의치 않고 이야기를 시작하는데
It all began back when I was 17. The girl's name was Maggie. I think I fell in love with Maggie right then and there. We go around the country killing people who go around the country killing people.
연쇄 살인마들만 찾아 죽이는 연쇄 살인마 부부였던 릭비 부부. 하지만 제크 라이언은 점점 지쳐갔고 그렇게 28년이 지나
Get in the house. Get in the house!
더는 살인을 버틸 수 없었던 제크 라이어. 남편이 더는 자신과 함께하지 않을 것을 직감한 매기는 그렇게 이별을 선택합니다. 자신의 이야기를 영화에 쓰는 대신 엔딩 크레딧에 메시지를 남겨달라는 제크 라이어.
I'm sorry. And call.
I promise on my life.
그렇게 사이코 같지 않았던 사이코는 돌아갑니다. 한편 한 발 늦게 빌리의 아지트에 도착한 찰리.
Yeah, but it's where the guy's wife is.
그렇게 병원에서 한스의 아내를 찾아냅니다.
Can I help you?
So the Polak married a nigger, huh? Where is he now?
I don't know.
Goodbye, Mrs. Koslowski.
Goodbye, Hans.
뒤늦게 아내의 죽음을 확인한 한스. 그 소식은 찰리의 연인 안젤라와 내연 관계를 즐기던 빌리에게도 전해집니다.
Hello? We were a little worried you were laid home is all.
That gangster guy, his dog we got, he come down and he killed.
He came down, he shot her in the head in the hospital.
I'll be home in 20 minutes.
곧바로 마이라의 복수를 행하는 빌리. 다이아몬드 잭 킬러는 빌리였습니다. 마피아를 피해 도피하는 일행.
So calm. I feel bad, man. I kind of feel like all this was my fault.
How could you have known it was that psycho's dog? Do you want to help me write 7 Psychopaths?
I would love that, Marty.
휴게소에서 잠시 쉬어가는데
But I guess she's in heaven now.
그 말에 한스는 천국과 지옥에 대한 이야기를 들려달라고 청합니다.
I like stories.
It's more of a hell story. It's all about this Quaker psychopath.
그런데
Or those who die by their own hand.
Stop!
So he took it.
황급히 마티의 이야기를 막는 빌리. 그러나 마티는 멈추지 않습니다.
The old man take out a razor of his own.
And slice. Some of the details aren't exactly right. I didn't go to hell, obviously. Our beautiful daughter was black. You know, you can't do that kind of work all on your own. But looking back on what's been wasted, at the time I thought it had to be done.
저작권을 의식했는지 한스에게 시나리오 공동 집필을 제의하는 마티.
You said I could help write it with you.
Yeah, we can all help write it with me.
I don't mind helping as long as it isn't going to be too violent.
What are we making French movies now?
No?
마피아를 피해 사막에 숨어든 그들은 저마다의 이야기를 시나리오에 녹이며 시간을 보냅니다.
The screenplay, especially with this Vietnamese guy.
그날 밤
Everybody comfortable? Okay, here we go. Exterior, cemetery, night. The Jacko Diamonds is waiting there with Bonnie, who's agreed to show up alone and unarmed. But yeah, the shootout. Yeah. Suddenly, from out of every fucking grave, burst the 7 psychopaths, a gun in every hand. It's really emotional. And then, hold on. Yeah. Anyway, guns, blam, blam, blam. So the only ones left are you and Han. And now you're gonna die.
그때
And he had a fucking crossbow up his sleeve. And as the Jacko Diamonds dies in their arms, he whispers, I want to be your friend. Sure, you're my best friend, Jack. You're my best friend. And then the Jacko Diamonds dies.
That's the end?
Yeah. So,
Well, it's very...
opinions.
I like it.
You like it? This is an important demographic.
It's impossible.
빌리의 시나리오를 혹평하며 장을 보고 돌아가는데
Hans?
Billy's a psychopath.
I guess he's made it into a movie then.
그날 밤 복잡해져만 가는 상황을 잊으려고 마약에 손을 댄 한스.
Hans, isn't one of us going to address the elephant in the room?
그러나 몽롱한 한스는 어디론가 가버립니다.
Pa.
Why did you kill all those people?
I mean, Marty, what are you talking about?
I don't hang out with people who kill women, Billy, and I certainly don't write screenplays with them.
It's over. Hans, we're leaving.
그런데 마약 때문인지 아내를 봤다는 한스.
She's sitting on a chair in some great place.
그때
What the hell did you do?
Come on in. I just called up old Charlie Costello and I told him where we were and to come down and get his dog back and said if you're in trouble finding us, just look for a Buick compartment. This movie is my way.
Well, that's just fucking great! Oh, great! You know what that is? Do you know what that is?
Great.
That's just fucking great!
다음 날
Oh! You might want to stop drinking, Martin. If this is the way I'm gonna...
울컥한 마티. 약쟁이한테 그런 소리 듣고 싶지 않다며 역정을 내는데
Whoa, time out. What's all this about?
I met Myra.
Now, don't get mad. Yeah, I snuck up there a little while ago, and I pretended to be her.
How did you describe it, specifically?
Gray and shit.
No.
그렇게 한스는 떠나갑니다.
Sorry for hitting you in the face so hard.
It's a pretty good punch for a pacifist. I love you, man.
I love you too.
그때 나타난 찰리.
He's all alone.
그는 행여 강아지가 잘못될까 무기도 없이 혼자 왔습니다.
Turn around again.
그런데 다짜고짜 총을 쏜 빌리.
He was unarmed.
Bullshit! You didn't bring a gun to the final shootout?
Where's your gun?
No, well, your friend's a fucking nut. I didn't bring none.
하지만 아무리 뒤져도 조명탄밖에 없자 오히려 불같이 화를 내는데
Fucking ruin everything now.
대체 빌리의 목적은 무엇일까요? 한편 그 시각 한스는 휴게소에 도착했습니다. 그런데 그곳엔 찰리의 부하들이 뭔가를 기다리고 있었고 이내 한스를 발견한 마피아.
Put your hands up.
No,
But I've got a gun.
I don't care.
Doesn't make any sense.
Too bad.
그때 나타난 경찰. 한스는 이제 살았습니다. 한편 부상당한 찰리를 병원에 데려가려는 마티.
I'll be back for you. Why would he only bring a flare gun to the big final
그때 의도를 알아챈 빌리.
Motherfucker.
고명탄은 부하들을 부르기 위한 것이었습니다.
You got a gun?
이대로면 마티와 빌리가 위험한 상황.
You don't got a gun, do you, Quaker?
결국
Hey,
경찰을 부르기 위해 자신을 희생합니다.
it isn't gray at all.
찰리의 부하들과 맞닥뜨린 마티.
Cops are coming, Charlie. We had to whack that Quaker guy. Where's the other guy, Charlie?
Down the road a ways with my dog. Gonna go get my dog.
몰려오는 마피아. 빌리는 그의 시나리오대로 성대한 마지막 총격전을 시작합니다.
Throw your guns down, or the alcoholic gets it. Now get down here with my fucking dog.
You gonna let Marty go if I do?
Yes, I'm gonna let Marty go if you do.
그 말에 망설임 없이 총을 내던지는 빌리.
I'm coming down.
눈앞의 광경에 경악하는 찰리.
Forget about the flare gun, you fucking idiot.
Marty, get going. Write it up.
Come with me, Billy. Please.
I told you, didn't I, Marty? This movie ends my way.
그 말에 깜짝 놀란 마티. 황급히 자리를 뜹니다. 마티가 떠나자 미소 짓는 빌리. 뒤늦게 도착한 경찰.
Drop your gun. Let me see your hands.
그렇게 상황은 마무리되고 빌리는 그렇게 숨을 거둡니다. 한편 도망치듯 차를 몰아 한스에게 간 마티는
He's my friend.
그의 품속에서 녹음기를 발견하고 자신이 마무리하지 못한 이야기의 결말을 듣게 됩니다.
He drags her to the place where the convention's being held. He pours the gas out. He takes out a match. He shuts his eyes. Then he opens them again. He's sitting in the middle of a street in Saigon circa 1963. And all angry thoughts finally dispelled. The first monk ever to burn himself to death to protest the war. So your Viet Cong psycho suicide by self-immolation. I think that's the best we're gonna get. And you know, we all got a dream, don't we?
그리고 마침내 마티가 시나리오를 완성한 것을 보여주며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화 세븐 사이코패스는 빌리가 그의 절친 마티의 시나리오 작업을 도우려다 여러 예기치 못한 상황에 휘말리며 진행되는 이야기입니다. 비록 여러 희생을 치르지만 그 덕분에 마티는 영화 시나리오를 완성하죠. 빌리는 자신의 죽음을 마지막으로 그 시나리오를 완성하는데 어째서 그는 마티를 위해서 목숨까지 내던질 수 있었던 걸까요? 그것은 영화 중반에 빌리의 일기장을 통해 아주 짧게 암시됩니다. 정신적으로 불안정하고 폭력적인 성향이 있던 빌리.
Note to self: do not set fire to the neighbor's flag.
사회에서 배척된 그를 세상과 묶어주는 것은 그의 친구 마티뿐이었던 것으로 보입니다.
He's the best writer of his generation, but he needs to stay focused.
마티의 작품을 통해서 절친의 기억에 영원히 남고 싶었던 걸까요? 한스는 이 작품에서 가장 안타까운 인물입니다. 그는 딸을 잃고 범인을 11년 동안 스토킹할 정도로 원망과 분노에 가득 차 있었지만 직접 복수하는 것은 퀘이커의 가르침이 허용하지 않았습니다. 아내 마이라까지 잃고 그 분노는 갈 곳 없이 커져만 갔지만 결국 마지막에는 모든 분노를 가라앉히고 친구를 위한 희생을 선택합니다. 그가 그려낸 자신을 희생하여 빛을 밝힌 베트남 승려의 마지막처럼 말입니다. 한스가 그런 결말을 낸 것은 그도 그 승려처럼 모든 분노와 원망을 내려놓고 싶다는 염원 때문이었는지 모르겠습니다. 그런데 과연 마틴은 목숨을 건 약속을 지켰을까요?
Hello? This is Martin. Oh, I went to see your movie yesterday. Shit. Now, how's she ever gonna fucking find me? You promised on your life.
Sure.
You sound different. You sound like you've been through a ringer. Can I get back to you?
That's good. I'll be right here.
Let's go home, baby.